a lot more, Henry. Put him in the basket.
Oh boy, this is hard work. You may need some breakfast after this, Henry.
No, he still got energy from last night, huh?
Yeah.
Did he sleep well?
He slept well, but he woke up on fire. Ready to go. I see more, Henry.
We'll come and get it.
Any more, Henry?
Might be him over. Whoops. Overshot that. Oh, now you're gonna lose him.
Remember, we only open them in the basket. Go put him in the basket.
Henry.
Go put it in the basket. Are there some over here?
Look here, Henry. No tapping.
Whoa! Good find.
Look down there.
Where did they go?
Look down here. Put them in your basket.